Hi guys, welcome back to Skincare Sunday. Dr. L here at Revital. Recently I got asked by a patient if aging makes us look mean. So it was interesting because hearing it from a patient and knowing and understanding aesthetics and how aging affects how we look, it's actually a good question. So does aging make you look meaner? So facial aging changes us to have a downward vector. So we think of aesthetics and we think of how the anatomy of our face changes. And what happens is everything is kind of drifting this way. So the corner of the eyes is drifting this way. We are frowning more and more and more, and this muscle gets stronger with aging. So we're kind of pulling down this way. The eye laxity is changing, and the frontal muscle here is also changing, making us kind of be more downward and pulling things down, changing the anatomy of our forehead bone as well as the corners of the lips are drifting downwards. The lateral volume of the face, the bone and the fat pads are shifting this way towards our mouth. So all of that is causing us to look more negative. Okay, but don't get negative about looking more negative with aging. There's lots and lots of things we can do in aesthetics now that can reverse that negative look or that mean look of aging, starting with our upper face. So botulinum toxin injected here to lift up that frown, also here to lift up the arch of the eyebrows, working on your eye skin with Age Jet to tighten it and keep it from being lax, changing your forehead movement with botulinum as well in here. And then when it comes to the mid face, let's talk a little bit about more what we can do for this area to keep those negative vectors at bay. So when it comes to the mid face and lower face, negative vector, or that negative look of aging, it's a multi-layered approach, addressing bone loss by using Sculptra to lift away from the mouth where we're getting that droopy negative look, as well as tightening the skin around the mouth and the lower face using Hyperdilute Radiesse, Genius RF microneedling, Age Jet. All of these treatments are going to be essential to strengthen that skin so we'll get a nice tight area around our mouth, as well as using perioral lip fillers, corner of the mouth fillers to prop up and give you that straight angle that makes you look positive once again. In unraveling that volume loss that occurs laterally that pushes towards the lower face that gives us that negative look of aging or that mean look of aging. So a combination of all these things can really reverse how you look with aging, keeping you looking as happy as you feel. So if you are starting to see some of these signs of aging, and we all will, and you want to be proactive about them, you want to prevent them, you want to reverse them, schedule a skin health consult with me and we can talk about our approach. Again, it's always going to be about natural results in our practice, reversing aging naturally, building your collagen, your own natural components to give you that beautiful, happy, youthful beauty.